This guide will walk you through the process of adding or requesting leave. Log into the system with the respective login credentials. Go to the HRM module. Click on Add or Request Leave. In the window that appears, fill all the required details. Select the employee. Select the type of leave. Specify the leave duration. Enter the start date and leave requested date. Click on Apply Leave. Confirm the submission. The following message will appear upon successfully adding a leave request. You have successfully completed the process of adding a leave request.